Let's take a quick look at the Twitter deployment calendar. Now this is an example. It's different in every industry. It might not be the right fit for you, but I hope and I think that there's some stuff you can steal from this and use and apply. Let's take a quick look in the morning. And these times change. You have to ask yourself before we get started, when are my followers online? There's lots of different ways to do that. You can pick up the phone and call them. You can email them. You can find out when your followers are tweeting the most. You have to find out who's your best customer. Are they following me? And if so, then you plug it all into here. Let's take a quick look. First of all, let's pretend like at 8:30 a.m. some of your followers are online. We like to put out a really great quote, and it could be a quote that's in line with your industry, your profession, whoever your consumer is. It's always something that's light, bright, and polite. Next, you can ask a general question, perhaps 9:30 a.m., an hour later. And the reason we're going to go through this and put a whole hour in between all these tweets is because we want to seem like we're active all day long. Remember, people are on Twitter not at one certain time of day, but it's a fleeting system. So they're on at different times, and as soon as you tweet and they're not online, you need to stay active. So you can ask a general question, which will get people to answer it. Next, perhaps an hour later, 10:30 a.m. local time, wherever your followers are at. Engagement question. You can include a friend's @ sign. Like, who likes the new profile pic by this person? And get people talking. Get people in a light, bright, and polite and conversational manner talking. That's what Twitter's all about. Next, you can retweet of something light, bright, and polite. You can go after some really big influencers or positive people or your super followers, which could be some of your best fans or people that are customers that are retweeting. Retweet their stuff. They love it. Make sure it's light, bright, and polite. Make sure it's short, it's sweet, and it's something you're proud of so that everybody sees that you're retweeting it and you wouldn't be ashamed of it the next day. Next, 1:30, maybe in the afternoon, ask a specific question about something new and link to your site. This is key. This is where we put that category plus call to action plus message that you've seen in past videos. What do you like better, Justin Timberlake as a singer or an actor? Vote here, and it links back to your site. So people have a question, they get to answer via Twitter, or they can link back to your site. Kind of fun. Next, you can retweet of a quote in the afternoon. Now this could be something different. You could perhaps retweet of a quote, put out a stat, whatever it is, add to the community, make it light, bright, and polite. And lastly, 5:30 p.m., this could be 8:30, depending on what industry you're in, you can retweet of a friend, perhaps. So that is the Twitter deployment calendar. I encourage you, apply this, try it, steal it, adapt it. It's different for every customer, every industry, and every set of followers.